How to use particle in Roblox Studio. In this example, we will be making rain and snow particles. Create a part for inserting particle. Name it Rain Effect. Don't forget to press Archer. Add particle emitter to the part. Name the rain emitter and start designing the rain particle. Go to the toolbox. Copy the water drop image asset ID and paste the ID into the texture to change the particle shape to a raindrop. Go to emission, change the emission direction to bottom to simulate rain falling. Go back to the part. Don't forget to press Archer. And make the part transparent. Back to the particle. Try adjusting the size. And try adjusting the transparency. Try adjusting the rate value to increase or decrease the particle density. Try adjusting the particle speed. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. Let's make a snow particle. You can duplicate the rain part and modify it into a snow effect. Don't forget to rename it properly. Change the image to a snowflake shape. Customize the speed and rate of your particles as you want. Let's make it better. Try adjusting the rotation. Try adjusting the rot speed. Try adjusting the spread angle. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.